Well, good day everybody, and welcome to this test and review of an eco-worthy 12 volt 3000 watt 2-in-1 pure sine wave inverter. Comes with a built-in 100 amp charger, can act as an uninterruptible power supply or a UPS. A great option for off-grid living, RV living, remote cabins, or just as a backup power source for your home. Got some very chunky battery cables that came with it. Good heavy duty cables there. Came with the cord for the charger. This will maintain batteries, keep them charged. And if the power goes out, it will pull power from the batteries and keep everything powered up, like your computer, your refrigerator. Keep your food cold, your medicine cold. Pretty nice looking unit here. Came with the nice thick, easy to read manual. eco-worthy's 2-in-1 inverter comes with a 3000 watt pure sine wave inverter as well as a 100 amp adjustable charger. Can act as an uninterruptible power supply for emergency power. Compatible with popular 12 volt battery types, sealed lead acid, AGM, gel, and of course lithium iron. It has AC input connections, output connections, along with the GFCI outlet, AC circuit breaker, connections for a remote control panel, battery temperature sensor, heavy duty battery connections. Supports 99% of your RV equipment. This pure sine wave inverter has an efficiency of more than 90% and comes with many features. Alright, got a spot here picked out for the inverter charger next to the microwave. I think we'll test it out on the air conditioner. That's pretty important this time of year. And we've got an outlet strip here. We can plug in the charger to charge the lithium battery and give it a good test. Loving the big, thick, heavy-duty battery cables they sent. They're real heavy. Definitely not copper-clad aluminum. These got to be pure copper. They got so much weight to them. Got some nice thick lugs on there. I also like that they sent these boots, these little covers for the terminals on the inverter for protecting the connections. They even have these little hooks on each side, which clip into that. Really nice. Let's save these for the install though when this gets put into the RV. Right now we're just doing a test, so I'll save that for later. Let's go ahead and peel this off, shall we? Alright, let's go ahead and connect the battery and see what we get. There we go, inverter on. Right? I need to hold it. There it goes, it scared me. Need to hold that power button. At 13 volts, I love the little battery meter indicator, level indicator. Got power, AC out. Status is green. Okay, so this is just the same as that. Just a little better location for turning on the inverter. So you got a power button here or a power button down here. A little backup power button. Got a couple messages on startup. You can look that up in the manual and see what those mean, but everything seems to be good. 13 volts, Charger's not plugged in yet. GFCI works. Green power indicator. It's a very nice unit, I like it. Oh, okay, so you can see our kilowatt hours, our amperage, and voltage. That's really cool. Got some other settings. I like the construction too, it feels real heavy duty. Connected up to a 100 amp hour battery here just for a test. I got a much bigger battery I'm going to use when this gets installed in the RV. Okay, going through the manual here, making sure the battery type is selected correctly before I start charging. Let's see how to do this. So we need to go to F09 and make sure it's set to lithium battery. So F9. Good to go. I just wanted to make sure that was set to lithium. There's a spot in the manual that says it's highly recommended to use a lithium battery. So it kind of sounds like it's already set up for it. Okay, making sure that's set to 60 hertz. What else should I check here? I think it's all pretty well set up, ready to go. All right, got the air conditioner plugged in. Let's see if this 100 amp hour can handle it. Start turning down the temperature. Alright, got AC going, 0.83 kilowatts. Working good, sounds good. Let's go ahead and plug in the charger. Still might pop the breaker on this power strip, but to find out. The status light should start blinking. Yep, there it goes. It's bypassing. That's awesome. I didn't know it was going to do that. Thought it would just charge the battery or keep the batteries charged as it uses power, but it will actually bypass to the power strip. So got power in to the charger, charging batteries, and it's being bypassed to the air conditioner. That's awesome. And if power goes out, then this will act as an uninterruptible power supply. And keep everything running. And with the charger going, I like how it's showing the kilowatt usage with the charger included. So I'm at 1.65 kilowatts. Yep, and there goes the breaker. Okay, that error alarm we got earlier, I think was because the battery didn't have enough power to run the AC, the air conditioner. So when this switched over from grid to the air conditioner, I think the battery just couldn't handle it. So let's try it on a lighter load and see if we can get the uninterruptible power supply to function. Okay, it's saying 12.7 right now, so that's actually pretty low battery. Alright, it's bypassing, discharging, 15 amps, 0.26 kilowatt. Let's disconnect the power. There we go. Okay, so UPS works just fine. It was just not enough power from the battery. If I had probably at least another one of these in a series, that would have ran the air conditioner just fine. And you guys probably noticed when the compressor kicked on earlier, it struggled a little bit. Alright, so that works pretty good. Happy with that. Love the UPS function. Just need to get a bigger battery, which I do have, and I will be using that when it gets installed in the RV. And then we'll be rocking and rolling. Check them out, links below. Eco-worthy inverter charger.